dive into Greek mathematics, aka the era when numbers became legendary and mathematicians were basically celebrities of their time. Imagine a world with no calculators, no app, no notebooks, yet somehow these people were out here creating mathematical ideas we still use today.
As Greece expanded its influence, it collected the best math tricks from Egypt and Mesopotamia, like a student copying all the right answers but making it even better. Soon, Greek thinkers began creating math so advanced that teachers today still teach students with it.
And that's how the Greek kick started, one of the biggest mathematical glow-up in history, setting the stage for the geniuses we're about to explore. Now, let's talk about one of the most controversial figures in math history, Pythagoras.
Often called the first two mathematicians, he left no written works which rely on his follower Philolaus to understand his work. Pythagoras founded a strict, secretive, and occult-like school in Croton around 530 BCE. Think math classes mixed with religious rituals, vegetarianism, and rules like don't touch the blackboard.
His followers were divided into mathematikoi, which is the math people, and akosmatikoi, the ritual people. Eventually, conflict and suspicions lead to their meeting place being burned, with many members killed, proof that mathematics was literally dangerous in ancient Greece.
Pythagoras' philosophy was simple yet profound. All is numbers. To him, numbers weren't just quantities. They had personality, meaning, and even gender. Their holiest symbol was tetractys, a triangular arrangement of the number from 1 to 4, summed to 10, a perfect number.
Pythagoras brought a new vision to math, using logic, actions, and proofs, instead of just practical ones. And of course, the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. They discovered many Pythagorean triplets, like 3, 4, and 5, and 5, 12, and 13, inspiring hundreds more proofs throughout history.
But Pythagorean mathematics almost collapsed when a student named Hipparchus discovered square root of 2, a number that couldn't express as fractions. Irrational numbers shattered their belief that all is numbers. Legend says that Pythagorean drowned him for revealing this truth. Math really was a life and death matter.
Still, their studies push Greek geometry forward, like proving that the angle of a triangle sum of 180 degrees Celsius and exploring polygons, angles, and number patterns. Their studies of numbers led to early number theory, amicable numbers, triangular numbers, and perfect numbers like 220 and 284.
And surprisingly, they also shaped music theory, discovering the harmonious notes comes from the whole number theory, 3 by 2 and 4 by 3, inspiring the music of these pairs. Moving forward, Pythagoreans inspired one of the most important philosophers ever, Plato, who elevated mathematics into a path towards truth. At the entrance of the academy in Athens, he posted a sign, "Let no one ignorance in geometry and..."
Plato believed in math, specifically geometry. He revealed the structure of the universe, and his academy trained the greats like Eudoxus, Theaetetus, Archytas, and more. He also promoted the famous 3 classical problems, namely squaring the circle, doubling the cube, and lastly, trisecting the angle.
And of course, Plato, who gave us the 5 Platonic solids, namely cube, tetrahedron, octahedron, icosahedron, and dodecahedron. And that was the world of Greek mathematics, where ideas weren't just discovered, they were forged in debate, passion, and sometimes even danger.
From Pythagoras' mystical numbers to Plato's geometric universe, the Greeks didn't just study about mathematics, they also transformed it into a language of truth. Their theories are still in our classrooms, our technology, our architecture, our our music, and even the way we understand the universe itself.
Thousands of years later, we're still building on the ideas they created. Proof that great ideas don't fade. They echo across civilizations.
So the next time you're solving an equation or drawing a triangle, remember, you're touching the legacy of the thinkers who turned the mathematics into a magic and changed the world forever.